Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a backup because SMART checks can reveal imminent failure. Make sure you have admin rights. Once done, open a SMART capable utility like Crystal Disk Info or the Drive Vendor tool. You should connect the drive directly to SATA or use a powered USB adapter. Do not use unpowered hubs so the tool reads real metrics. Run the quick SMART. Read immediately to collect baseline values and overall health status, so you can proceed with deeper testing. Next, run the extended self-test or vendor surface scan to stress the drive. These tests locate bad sectors and verify read consistency. While tests run, inspect key SMART attributes, reallocated sector count, current pending sector, UDMA CRC error count, and temperature. These explain how and why failures occur. Record those raw values and normalize scores, then compare them to the drive's thresholds. If you see rising reallocated or pending counts, that means the disk is reallocated. Finally, decide based on the data. If SMART reports failure or growing reallocated/pending counts, clone the drive sector by sector to a new disk and replace it immediately. Do not rely on a failing disk. If the drive looks healthy, schedule regular checks and monitor temperature and reallocate trends. If things go wrong, drive not detected or erratic results, receipt cables, try a different SATA port or powered adapter, and run CHKDSK plus vendor diagnostics to isolate controller versus media problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.